In 2026, the berry sweet baby strawberry theme is taking over spring parties and baby showers. Bright reds, soft pinks, and fresh greenery create playful yet polished backdrops perfect for photos and egg hunts.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What signage fits a berry sweet baby backdrop? Use script fonts with phrases like berry sweet baby or sweet as can be. Soft lettering enhances the playful theme beautifully. Sign styled? Like this if wording matters. Why is the strawberry berry sweet baby theme trending in 2026? Strawberries symbolize sweetness and growth, making them perfect for baby celebrations. The fresh color palette and playful charm align with 2026's move toward cheerful yet minimal seasonal styling. Love sweet spring themes? Like this if berries brighten your mood. What materials work for DIY backdrops? Foam boards, fabric curtains, paper strawberries, and faux vines create an affordable yet polished look that feels professionally styled. DIY ready? Like this if crafting feels fun. What makes this theme feel 2026 ready? Muted pink accents, organic balloon shapes, and intentional minimalism modernize the playful strawberry theme for a stylish update. Trend forward approved? Like this if fresh style wins. What lighting works best for strawberry backdrops? Soft daylight or warm string lights enhance reds and pinks beautifully. Gentle lighting keeps photos bright and flattering. Glow added? Like this if ambiance shines. What food displays match this strawberry theme? Use tiered trays, labeled jars, and fresh strawberries as edible decor. Coordinating colors keeps the entire setup cohesive. Menu styled like this if sweet details matter. What colors work best for this strawberry theme? Soft pink, strawberry red, cream, and leafy green create a balanced palette. These tones feel fresh, vibrant, and visually appealing without overwhelming the setup. Palette picked? Like this if bold yet soft feels right. How do I keep the backdrop looking clean and modern? Stick to one focal area and avoid overcrowding with too many props. Clean spacing keeps the setup stylish and balanced. Minimal approved? Like this if less feels fresh. How do I add dimension to the backdrop? Layer balloons in varying sizes and include hanging strawberries or greenery strands. Height variation creates a more dynamic, photo-ready display. Depth added? Like this, if dimension matters. Can kids enjoy DIY strawberry decor activities? Yes, kids can paint strawberries or decorate egg baskets. Simple crafts keep them engaged while enhancing the theme. Kid-friendly fun? Like this if creativity counts. Can this theme work for an Easter egg hunt? Yes. Add strawberry patterned baskets and pastel eggs. Blending the berry theme with egg hunt elements keeps it festive and cohesive. Egg hunt ready? Like this if spring fun wins. How can I design a strawberry-themed party backdrop? Use fabric panels and blush or cream, add strawberry cutouts and layer balloon garlands, with greenery for dimension and depth. Backdrop planned? Like this if layers excite you. DIY Strawberry Berry Sweet Baby Party and Egg Hunt backdrops in 2026 Combine. Playful sweetness with modern styling, with thoughtful layering and fresh color choices. You create a celebration that feels joyful and unforgettable. Loved this berry theme? Like and come back for more 2026 party inspiration.